Hi there, students. Bibulous, an adjective. I guess bibulously as well as an adverb, and even bibulousness. Okay, we use bibulous in two ways that are related. Firstly, we use bibulous to say that somebody drinks copious amounts of alcohol. So reporters have a reputation for being a bibulous profession. The bibulous members of the rugby team got extremely drunk after the match. Bibulous. And then the other way we use bibulous is to mean absorbent, that absorbs a large amount of liquid. So, for example, bibulous paper is an unusual name or an old-fashioned name for blotting paper. Yeah, when you write with ink and you blot it to stop it smearing all over the page. The bibulous rate of a substance is the amount of liquid that it can absorb. Okay, so bibulous. A sponge is a bibulous thing. Kitchen paper is bibulous. Kitchen paper needs a high bibulous rate. Yeah, it needs to be able to absorb large amounts of water. So bibulous, this is talking about absorbency. Using it to talk about absorbency is really quite a formal usage. I think it's a fairly formal word anyway. And bibulous, somebody who drinks a lot, somebody who's effectively addicted to alcohol. Yeah, marked by their consumption of alcohol, very boozy. Yeah, or very absorbent, but yeah, they're very absorbent when it comes to alcohol. We spent a very bibulous evening with some rather bibulous fellows from another company. Okay, so bibulous, yeah, drinking lots of alcohol, excessively fond of drinking. Yeah, so the role he plays in the film is that of a bibulous football player who has fallen on hard times. Okay, so bibulous, something that's highly absorbent, a towel, a sponge, something that soaks up liquid as well. And yeah, a person who is bibulous soaks up alcohol, and that's the idea. Yeah, they imbibe lots and lots of alcohol. So bibulous likes to drink alcohol. Okay, so yeah, but bibulous for people, it talks about alcohol. It doesn't talk about other things. Yeah, and then bibulous paper or something bibulous is something that is highly absorbent, that sucks up a lot of liquid. But for people, bibulous is talking about their consumption of alcohol. Okay, so highly fond of alcoholic beverages. He's renowned for his bibulousness. We bibulously passed several hours in a pub before going to bed. And then bibulous is something that's absorbent, something that's spongy, that absorbs all sorts of things. So, formality, bibulous. This is a formal word. Seven in formality. Either formal or something that sounds poetic, or maybe as a joke. And then, as to origin, it comes from Latin, from bibo or bibo, I drink. Yeah, from Proto-Italic pibo, or Proto-Indo-European pe, a drink. So yeah, to imbibe, to drink. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bibulous.